Ever had any difficulties while printing ABS or nylon? That's why the Filasophia Adhesive and Build Plate was engineered to solve this exact problem. Today, we are not just printing, we are putting that bond to ultimate test to see how much weight it can actually hold before it snaps. Before applying the adhesive, always start with a clean bed. First, squeeze a generous amount of Filasophia adhesive onto the plate. Second, spread it evenly across the printing area using a spatula. Third, insert the plate into the printer and set the bed temperature to 85 degrees Celsius. Fourth, let it heat and cure for at least 3 minutes before starting to print. Once the adhesive cured, I first printed a hanger rig out of PETG to hold our test weights. After easily removing that part, I printed our main ABS test hook on an unused section of the exact same plate. Look how clean the surface came out, zero warping even with ABS. Before the test, I need to install a mounting bolt into the hanger, then we are ready to test. Let's begin the test. The setup is simple. I'll hang full filament spools onto the hook one by one until the bond fails. Spools 1 through 8, no problem. By the 9th, the weight got so low, I had to prop the plate up on the boxes to keep it off the floor. Lifting and hanging 10 spools with a tiny hanger is a serious workout. Let's tally up the final weight. It let go on the 10th spool, so the bond held 9 full spools weighing almost 10 kilograms, all hanging off a single ABS hook straight down from the plate. If you print engineering materials and warping is what you are fighting, this is exact results we were after at Filasophia.